The market grocer has grown quite significantly over the years that since we started in September 2005. We went from 2 staff, 10 product lines and about 10 customers, and we now got something like 900 active customers, something like 1,000 product lines. I think it's growing on a daily basis. We're constantly putting new lines into NAV all the time now, and we needed a solution that was scalable, could achieve what we wanted it to achieve, give us better planning and forecasting tools, and allow us to run our business better. Basically what we did is we identified a number of products in the market, which included Sage ACPAC, Microsoft Dynamics NAV, SAP Business One, and a huge variety of other products. We then took them and evaluated them against our criteria, which was that it had multi-site warehousing, that it could do our planning and forecasting, that it could do basically everything we wanted it to do, and that the vendor had the ability to deliver, and that the product life cycle was clear. That we knew that if we bought the product today, that 5 years down the track, we'd still be able to use the product. After evaluating everything against those criteria, we narrowed it down to 3, which was SAP Business One, Microsoft Dynamics NAV and Pronto, and SAP fell off the perch a little bit because we felt like a small fish in a big pond. Once we narrowed it down to the 2, we sat around in the boardroom debating the topic for hours and hours and hours. Our accountant wanted Pronto, we wanted Dynamics NAV from a usability and functionality point of view, but really there wasn't that much difference, and in the end, we couldn't decide between the 2, and it came down to the partner as to what we decided to go with. Pronto was unresponsive, couldn't make the appointments that we wanted them to, and the Microsoft partner turned around and said, sure, no problems, we'll rearrange some things, we'll be there to do the demonstration that we wanted. Basically, we didn't really do anything wrong as such in our implementation with Dynamics NAV. We had a good experience with Microsoft and the partner and everybody else that we dealt with. It worked really, really well. But in retrospect, we should have probably curtailed our staff's requirements list somewhat. We did a lot of customization of invoice layouts and statements and various other bits and pieces, and to be honest, we really shouldn't. Our customers complained from the outset when we first introduced them that it wasn't what they wanted and they couldn't read it, and that's partly our fault. We caved to our staff requirements when in actual fact we should have been looking at the business requirements. But all in all, we did a good job. We've got a good result, our customers are now happy, our staff are happy, and we're getting value out of the proposition with Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Well, it was a great experience, really. I mean, for me, it was a bit of a learning curve because I'd never done project management before, and I had this huge solution that we had to roll out across the whole business, and it really was a little bit daunting at first. But working through the project schedule and the initial meetings and planning and requirements process that the partner had was really valuable. It made our life a lot easier. I took a key role when we actually started to implement the solution and did a lot of the work myself, which cut down on costs and helped us out quite a lot. But generally speaking, they did a great job. They contacted us when they said they would. They'd then do a lot of various bits and pieces. But look, Hands-on did a great job. I can't complain. We've got a great solution, on time, under budget, and it's just fantastic. All our staff love it. They're easy to interact with, and the training on it now is a cinch. We had maybe 2 new staff start in the last 6 months, and all of them have picked it up in under 48 hours for the basic functionality anyway, so we can't complain. They're doing a great job. They're always responsive, and Hands-on have done a great job for us.